Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 of my 30-day challenge, and today I am going to show you a quick trick with the spot removal tool in Lightroom. So my name is Salom and I'm a wedding and portrait photographer. Alright, let's jump right in. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, because I'm going to keep this up for 30 days and there's something that I'm sure you might learn from this. So alright, let's do this. So this is my friend Manny. He's a videographer. We did about 13 weddings together last year, and I'm using him for this today. So sorry, Manny. Okay, all right. So I'll zoom in real quick, and I'm just going to remove a few spots on his face. Now, one of the fastest ways to do this is when you select the spot removal tool. Instead of just going ahead to remove the spots, you go and check this box right here which says visualize spots, and there's a slider. When you slide it all the way up, it shows too much. When you slide it all the way down, then it's limited to the bigger spots. So you don't want to go all the way down, but you want to go down as far as you can now see. So now we can see we have spots here, 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the spots right in here, and make sure it's on heal so that you're not cloning. If you clone, it doesn't retain the skin texture. It just brings exactly what's on the other clone. So you are healing and you pick something that's close to where this one was. So that's 1, 2. I'm gonna do this. This one is a little tricky. Okay, I did 3. And usually for guys, I don't do too much. I only take out about 25-30% of the spots on their faces. So it's just a personal preference how I edit. And then even for females, if the spots are a definite feature of their face, some marks, you don't take out everything. You make sure it still looks like the person after you're done editing. All right, so here is the before and after. You can see that I took out this spot here, this spot here, and this spot here. So that just helps you easily visualize the spots. Some of the spots are hard to see, especially if you've been editing for a whole night and then your eyes are playing tricks on you. You can use that mode so you can see the spots easily. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another trick.